Welcome to the KMC Commander video series. In this video, we focus on licensing your gateway and performing initial in-office setup before heading out to the job site. To get started, make sure you're in your office, as being in an environment you can control can be very helpful when doing this initial setup. We don't recommend setting up your gateway at the end user's facility. Next, unbox your gateway and accessories and set out all your components. Now is a good time to write down the serial number of your gateway found on the back of the gateway. This will be used later. Using the proper ports on the PoE injector, connect an Ethernet cable from your internet source, then another Ethernet cable from your PoE injector to the PoE port on your gateway. Once these connections are made, now connect power to your PoE injector. Reference your quick start guide in the box if you have any questions with this process. At this point, the gateway is going to go through a boot up and updating process. A benefit of the KMC Commander platform is the automatic updates. This allows the latest and greatest updates to always be on the gateway. The initial boot up process will take only a couple minutes, but the updating may take much longer. It's a good idea to get to this point in the process the day before licensing your gateway, allowing it to sit overnight just to ensure you don't get interrupted by an update along the way. Assuming it's completely updated, let's get this gateway set up. You're going to sign into it using a laptop or PC that is Wi-Fi enabled. You're going to look for the available Wi-Fi connections and connect to the SSID associated with the service tag you wrote down for your gateway. The default Wi-Fi network security key can then be found on your quick setup guide. Once connected to the Wi-Fi, open Chrome or Safari. These are the official supported browsers for KMC Commander. Type in and navigate to the IP address 192.168.4.1. Log into the box using your KMC Commander credentials. The credentials used should be the user you assigned as the initial project admin when ordering your project. Once you successfully log in, select the license for the project from the drop-down menu and hit Submit. Follow the remaining prompts and your licensing will be completed. You will be taken to the KMC Commander Network Explorer page. You are now ready to pack your KMC Commander Gateway and PoE injector up and take them to the field for installation. Since 2014, KMC Controls has partnered with Intel to bring our industry the latest technology around cloud-connected smart buildings and cybersecurity. Intel is a clear leader in the space, and we are going to continue to build our products and services around their best-in-class technology. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out our other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.